Welcome to the world of investing, inspired by Tim Ferriss's The 4-Hour Workweek. Imagine if you could optimize your investments so efficiently that it only takes a few hours each month to manage them. Sounds impossible? Think again. In the next few chapters, we'll show you how to make it happen. Did you know that 92% of active fund managers can't beat the market? That's right, even the experts often struggle. And here's another shocker. Automation and smart investing strategies can outperform human decision-making, cutting your workload by up to 80%. These stats might seem surprising, but they highlight a powerful truth. You don't need to spend endless hours to see great returns. Our goal is simple: to teach you how to streamline your investments, maximize your returns, and minimize your time commitment. We'll dive into automation, the Pareto principle, outsourcing, low-maintenance assets, and leveraging technology. Each strategy is designed to give you more freedom while growing your wealth. Get ready to transform your investment approach. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to make your money work for you, freeing up time to enjoy the life you want. Let's get started. One set it and forget it: automation in investing. Investing can seem like a full-time job, but it doesn't have to be. Inspired by Tim Ferriss's The 4-Hour Workweek, the goal is to maximize efficiency, freeing up time for life's other passions. So, how do you make your investments work hard, so you don't have to? Start by automating your investments. Automation is your secret weapon. It's like setting up a smart device at home. Once you configure it, it takes care of itself. First off, consider automated investment platforms, also known as robo-advisors. Did you know that as of last year, robo-advisors manage over $460 billion globally? That's a testament to their efficiency. These platforms use algorithms to manage your investments based on your risk tolerance and goals. You set it up once, and they rebalance your portfolio to keep you on track, without you needing to lift a finger. Another powerful tool is automatic contributions. By setting up regular transfers from your bank account to your investment accounts, you're applying the pay yourself first principle, a favorite strategy among financial experts. This not only disciplines your saving habits but also capitalizes on the power of compound interest over time. Albert Einstein famously called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, highlighting its potential for building wealth. Direct stock purchase plans, DSPPs, are another excellent way to automate. These plans allow investors to buy shares directly from companies without a broker, and many offer the option for automatic reinvestment of dividends, which can significantly enhance your portfolio's growth. Automation also means you're less likely to make emotional decisions about your investments. It's like having a co-pilot who sticks to the plan, even when market turbulence makes you want to take over the controls. Remember, consistent and rational investments are key to long-term growth. To the Pareto principle: maximize returns with minimal effort. Now, let's talk about leveraging the Pareto principle in your investment strategy. The idea here is simple. Focus on the 20% of your efforts that will yield 80% of your results. In investment terms, this means identifying which assets in your portfolio are performing the best and focusing your resources there. But how do you identify these high performers? Start by reviewing your investment returns. You might find, for example, that certain sectors or asset classes have consistently outperformed others. Historical data shows that over the last 20 years, the technology sector has often outpaced others, delivering substantial returns to investors who bet on tech stocks early. Another strategy is to look at dividend yields. A strong, consistent dividend can be a sign of a healthy, profitable company and a potentially fruitful investment. By reinvesting these dividends, you're effectively using the company's success to fuel more growth in your portfolio. Index funds are a perfect example of the Pareto principle in action. These funds aim to mimic the performance of a specific index, like the S&P 500, and they are known for their lower costs and solid performance history. Interestingly, over 92% of active fund managers failed to beat the S&P 500 over the past 15 years. This statistic makes a strong case for the efficiency of investing in index funds. So, in applying the 80-20 rule, focus on investments that require minimal effort but offer maximum returns. This approach isn't just about being lazy, it's about being smart. It's choosing to work smarter, not harder, which perfectly encapsulates the spirit of the 4-Hour Workweek. Both automation and the Pareto principle can radically transform your investment strategy, aligning perfectly with a lifestyle that prioritizes freedom and efficiency. By focusing on these strategies, you're not just investing money, you're also investing in a better, more balanced life. 3. Outsourcing mastery: when to hire an expert. When it comes to investing, Knowing when to call in the experts can be as crucial as the investments themselves. Tim Ferriss advocates for outsourcing to simplify life and maximize efficiency. This principle can be directly applied to managing your investments. Think of it as hiring a consultant for your business. In this case, your business is growing your wealth. Financial advisors are like navigators for your financial journey. They can offer personalized advice tailored to your specific circumstances. According to a recent survey, individuals who consulted with financial advisors reported a 15% greater increase in wealth over those who did not, proving the value of expert advice in financial growth. But when should you consider hiring one? If you're managing a diverse portfolio, or planning for major life events like retirement or buying a house, a financial advisor can be invaluable. They bring clarity to complexity, which is critical when your financial future is at stake. Additionally, they can provide access to investments and strategies that might not be available to the average investor. Robo-advisors, on the other hand, are perfect for those who prefer a hands-off approach. These automated platforms are not only cost-effective but also backed by algorithms designed to optimize your returns based on historical data and modern portfolio theory. They're particularly useful for routine portfolio management, such as rebalancing and tax loss harvesting, which can be tedious and complex. Remember, outsourcing isn't about losing control. It's about enhancing your investment strategy through expert assistance. It's making sure that every move you make is calculated and backed by professional insight. 4. Low maintenance, high reward, choosing the right assets. Choosing the right assets is all about finding investments that align with the set it and forget it philosophy. It's about focusing on options that require minimal day-to-day management but have the potential for significant long-term growth. Index funds and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are prime examples of such assets. Index funds are particularly appealing because they offer broad market exposure, low operating expenses, and low portfolio turnover. These funds follow the indices of the market, so rather than trying to beat the market, you ride along with it. And riding along can be quite beneficial. Over the last decade, the S&P 500 index has seen an average annual return of about 13.6%. That's a solid return for something that doesn't require daily monitoring. ETFs offer similar benefits and added flexibility. Unlike mutual funds, ETFs can be traded like stocks, which means you can buy and sell shares throughout the trading day. This can be advantageous for taking quick advantage of market fluctuations without the need for constant oversight. Real estate is another asset that can be considered low maintenance, especially if you invest through real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in property without the hassles of direct ownership, like maintenance and management. Plus, they often provide a steady income stream through dividends. Diversifying with these types of assets not only simplifies your investment strategy but also spreads out risk. This way, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket, yet you're still poised for a good return on investment. It's a straightforward approach that syncs perfectly with the philosophy of the 4-hour workweek. Incorporating these strategies can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your investment efforts. By understanding when to seek expert advice and selecting the right assets, you're setting up a framework that supports both your financial growth and your lifestyle freedom. 5. Streamlining decisions. Develop your investment rules. Creating a set of personal investment rules is like having a roadmap for your financial journey. It simplifies decisions and keeps you on track, especially when the market gets volatile. Tim Ferriss emphasizes the importance of defining clear rules or criteria in decision-making processes to optimize efficiency in the 4-hour workweek. This principle can be powerfully applied to investing. Start by determining your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a college fund, or perhaps a big vacation? Next, assess your risk tolerance. Are you a risk taker or do you prefer playing it safe? Based on these factors, you can establish rules that dictate when to buy, hold, or sell investments. For instance, a simple rule might be to invest a fixed percentage of your income every month into a diversified mix of stocks and bonds, regardless of market conditions. Automating these decisions can further simplify the process. For example, if one of your rules is to maintain a specific asset allocation, use automatic rebalancing tools offered by many investment platforms. These tools adjust your portfolio periodically to ensure it stays aligned with your predetermined asset mix. This automation not only saves time but also removes the emotional element from investing, which can often lead to impulsive decisions. Moreover, having clear, predefined rules can help you stay disciplined. It's reported that investors who adhere to their strategies during downturns rather than reacting impulsively often see better returns over the long term. This disciplined approach is essential for compound growth, which Einstein once noted as the most powerful force in the universe for building wealth. 6. Scaling smart. Leveraging technology for investment growth. In today's digital age, leveraging technology is key to scaling your investments efficiently. The right technological tools can automate mundane tasks, optimize investment decisions, and even predict market trends with significant accuracy. Start with investment tracking apps. These apps provide real-time data on your investments, alert you about significant market changes, and offer insights into potential financial moves. This kind of immediate access and information allows you to make informed decisions quickly, a cornerstone of Ferris's philosophy to work smarter, not harder. Consider also the growing field of artificial intelligence in investing. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends that might be invisible to human analysts. For instance, some AI platforms have been used to predict stock performance based on patterns in global news events, with accuracy significantly better than traditional methods. Blockchain technology is another area transforming investments. Beyond its role in cryptocurrencies, blockchain offers a transparent, secure way to track the ownership and transfer of assets without the need for a central authority. This can reduce fees and simplify transactions, making investing more accessible and less costly. Lastly, embrace platforms that integrate all these technologies. Many modern investment platforms use a combination of AI, machine learning, and blockchain to provide a comprehensive, streamlined investing experience. These platforms not only handle transactions but also offer personalized investment advice and portfolio management, all tailored to your unique financial profile. By incorporating these technological advances into your investment strategy, you can enhance your ability to scale your investments with minimal effort. It's about using technology not just to do different things, but to do things differently, smarter, faster, and more effectively. Each of these strategies, from creating solid investment rules to embracing cutting-edge technology, aligns with the minimalist, efficient ethos of the 4-hour workweek. They enable you to optimize your investment efforts for maximum return with minimal ongoing effort, embodying Ferris's approach to life and work.